Good morning everyone. My name is Pratiksha Lakshmanotru from 11th standard. Today we are going to learn about our first practical, which is study of compound microscope. Microscope is an improved and modified instrument used to study minute and non-visible objects which cannot be seen with naked eyes. There are two lens systems, first lens system and second mechanical system. There are three types of lens system. First, eyepiece lens system. Eyepiece lies at the top of the body tube, which is generally of 10x, 12x and 15x magnification. As per requirement, they may be replaced by lower and higher magnification. Now, second lens system is objectives. Objectives are attached with no space. These contain lenses of different magnification. It is starts 10x, 25x, 45x, 65x and 100x magnification. Now third lens system is condenser. It consists of condensed lens system. It is beneath the object which is placed on stage of microscope. It is collects and focuses the light rays on the object. Mechanical parts. First, draw tube. It is hollow tube which hold eyepiece at upper end and objective at the lower end. Now, second mechanical part is nose piece. It is revolving part for adjustment of microscope. In the nose piece, low and high power lenses are attached. Now, third mechanical part is coarse adjustment. It is big screw attached to the body tube on either side. It moves up and down more distance in one rotation. It is used for lower power adjustment. Now, fourth mechanical part is fine adjustment. It is a small screw attached to the body arm to either side. It is also moves up and down and covers short distance in one rotation. It is used for higher power lenses adjustment. Now, fifth mechanical part is body arm. This is body arm. This stout part used to hold off microscope. Sixth is stage with clips. Stage with clips. It is a rectangular part for microscope fit with clips. Now next is inclination point. Join lower pillar and upper pillar part of microscope. Eighth is mirror. It is a mirror. Mirror is concave and plane type of mirror. Concave is used for lower and high power magnification. Now last is base of foot. It is horseshoe shape. Thank you.